Elon Musk's election promise of $1 million daily giveaway sparks call for probe. Elon Musk has promised to give away $1 million daily until Election Day, sparking calls for investigation. At a pro-Trump rally in Pennsylvania, he awarded the first $1 million check to an attendee. Pennsylvania's Democratic Governor, Josh Shapiro, expressed concern over Musk's plan, suggesting it might cross legal boundaries. Musk's financial influence is particularly significant in this presidential race, making Pennsylvania a focal point. America PAC, the political action group Musk supports, aims to mobilize and register voters in key states. However, reports indicate challenges in achieving its goals. At the Harrisburg event, John Dreyer was the lucky recipient of Musk's first $1 million giveaway. Musk jovially acknowledged Dreyer's surprise as he presented the check. Continuing his promise, Musk gave a second $1 million check in Pittsburgh, as reported by America PAC. The giveaway is tied to signing an online petition supporting constitutional amendments. To be eligible, participants must be registered voters from key swing states. For Pennsylvania voters, the petition offers a $100 incentive for signing and referrals. The legality of these giveaways is under scrutiny, as federal law prohibits offering money to induce voting or registration, which can result in legal consequences. The event in Harrisburg was part of Musk's efforts to rally support for early voting, crucial for Trump's campaign. Attendees signed petitions, expanding America PAC's voter outreach. Musk has invested $75 million in America PAC, aligning himself more closely with Republican causes and enhancing his role in the 2024 election. Trump has acknowledged Musk's support, suggesting a potential future role for him in a government efficiency commission if Trump wins the presidency. As the world's richest person, Musk's involvement in political activities is garnering widespread attention and legal interest as the election approaches. Through his significant contributions, Musk is reinforcing his political influence, adding a new dimension to the already contentious presidential race. Observers and critics alike are watching closely as Musk navigates the fine line between influence and legality in this high-stakes election cycle.